are trying to achieve these fuel economy standards. But during World War I and World War II, these were life and death decisions. So they had to pick the absolute best. And during like the NASCAR period, what NASCAR was doing was fine tuning existing technologies, push rod engines, fuel injection. Whereas World War I and World War II, these were actually the greatest advancements in mechanical engineering across the entire globe. So one reason that Ford benefited from this is because they had fewer brands than General Motors. They were able to invest more money in engine families and progressing engine technology. So let's just give you a perfect example. They go from the side valve flathead V8, they go to the pushrod engines, the Windsor engines, then they go to the FE engines, then they go to the Cleveland engines. So they keep sort of incrementally increasing the engine technology. And what you would see is during the 1990s, they decided to go back in history to the World War II planes, which were single overhead cam engines, and these engines proved to be the most reliable, and they were able to be used across a wide variety of applications. So pickup trucks, Ford Mustangs, the Expedition, the Explorer. They had even, a V6 version, and they had even a V10 version. So the modular engine factory, this was revolutionary because a lot of technology companies, specifically like cell phones and computer companies, when you can build one specific thing and just repeat it over and over again, that's usually going to be your most successful type of engineering and manufacturing applications. When you can take essentially a very similar engineering design and then to apply it to tens of millions of the same or similar products with a high level of reliability, that's the one thing that these warplanes taught the American engineers